And now we're moving into some really basic sound tricks for theater when it comes to dancing. This first one it's a quick, easy solution, but most people don't think about it. I was having plenty of issues with the shows that I was producing with the dancers complaining that the sound wasn't loud enough, and the sound, like the audio guys were getting upset with me because they're like, we're at full volume. If we go any further, we're going to get in trouble. And so what we found out, and it's so obvious now that I know it, is that, say this is your audience here and this is the stage. Normally the key places that you will see sound for, like on stage sound for dancers or for anyone, is that they'll probably put up on the sides in the ladders, in the curtains, they'll put big speakers here, and they're very loud. And then also too, they could put one above. It's rare, but they will put a subwoofer underneath as well, so you'll be able to feel it. So the thing is, if you're on stage and you're here, like you're in this area, it's not too bad. You can hear it, but it's side on, and dancers, they can hear it, but they can't feel it in their body. And most of their rehearsals too, when they're in the studio, the sound's in front of them or on the sides, like directly at them. So it's more of a comfort thing, and that they want clarity. So it's not necessarily volume that dancers want on stage. They want clarity. And with these being over here in the curtain and being under the stage and them getting the sound side on, they're not very happy, especially when you get a full stage of dancers and they push down to here. They're just like, I can't hear it, I can't hear it. And it's not that they can't hear the volume, they just can't hear all the interesting sounds and stuff like that. The clarity is what that's what they're really saying, yeah? So the easy fix is don't worry about these ones, keep them on, but request in the theaters that you go to, and you might have to hire these, is some monitors that can just be on stands or tilted up. And then say this is the front, where this is, that's the front. You want them hitting just in front here, just in the front, this quiet area here, and you want it direct into them. Me personally, I don't mind these being on stage, like in front of the curtain, and the audience seeing them. As long as they're not stopping from people seeing the dancing, I don't mind them there. If you do want to hide them, you can put black curtains on them or something like that. Or if you really do not want to see them, you can put them in the front wing like that, but you're kind of defeating the purpose of getting this direct sound, okay? So the more you can get these on stage, so even say the audience there, you can get them on here and get them directly, the better. And I know this sounds like a really simple thing, but the difference in the way a dancer performs with this setup and without this setup is night and day. So if you really want to get the best out of the dancers, yeah, this is the way to do it, is get that sound right in front of them. Okay, see you later.